Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ang pag-uusapan ko are my favorite everyday lipsticks. Lahat ng lipsticks na ipapakita ko, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat ng collection ko. As in, ito yung kung tipong hindi ko alam yung lipstick na susuotin ko, at dito ko sa kanila pumupunta. I gravitate towards these on a daily basis. I have a lot of really nice lipsticks because I am a makeup collector. Low-key makeup collector, but not all of them I end up kind of in my everyday makeup purse. Not all of them I wear on a daily basis. And the ones I'm gonna show you, I truly wear. So kung kunwari nagtataka kayo kung ano yung mga lipstick na suot ko on a daily basis, ito yon. If you wanna know my favorites, just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with the one that is very affordable. This is from Careline, and this is their Careline Kiss Stick. Maraming shades ang Careline Kiss Sticks, pero itong particular shade, ito ang nag-stand out sa akin. And I'm gonna be giving swatches to you guys para at least mas helpful siya. And the color that I'm talking about is the shade Vacay. For reference, I really like warm, rosy nudes. I don't really go for purples, mauves, and the like. So yun yung mga type kong lip colors. Similarly to the one that I'm wearing right now, I just like really warm tones kasi for me, it flatters me the best. The top that I'm wearing right now is a warm tone. Pero this is the shade Vacay. It's a warm tone rosy pink. And it's so pretty, so creamy. I would describe this Careline Kiss Stick formula as a creamy matte. It doesn't so much emphasize your dryness on the lips, and most of all, it lasts really well. Definitely one of my favorites in terms of local brands. Talagang Careline, I love Careline so much. And I have so much respect for their kiss sticks, and this Vacay shade is my favorite. If you were to ask me kung anong pinaka favorite ko, Holy Grail lipsticks, if I were just given one brand of lipstick to be with for the rest of my life, I would choose these ones. Ang dami ko, besh. And that just says a lot. My favorite lipsticks of all time are my 3CE lip colors. I've said this 1,000 times. Lumabas sila unang-una with LilybyRed, pero hindi na to available. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kasi sobrang paborito ko to. Yung shades are Hold On, Light Beige Nude. Napakaganda, besh. Sobrang ganda nito. I also have Warm and Sweet right here. Ang ganda ng packaging, ang ganda ng lahat. Wala akong masabing masama. Which is a deeper kind of warm, peachy nude. Ang dami ko rin yung mga mood recipe lipsticks nila. And kaya ko to pinaka-favorite is, ito yung pinaka-long-lasting lipstick for me. Yung formula nito medyo different. Not gonna lie, they do tug on the lips. So pag nilagay mo to, may tug, may drag. The reason being is that they last forever on my lips. Hindi sila mabilis matanggal. Sobrang panalo din ng color selection. Lahat ng mga colors ng 3CE Mood Recipe, sobrang favorites ko. Pero yung, I have to say, my favorite color is Rose, which is the one I'm wearing right now. And I also love Muss and Mirrorlike. Isa-swatch ko si Rose. Si Rose kasi yung perfect peachy nude ko. Hindi siya sobrang peach, hindi siya sobrang pink. It is somewhere in the middle, kaya nagustuhan ko ito si Rose. Sobrang flattering ni Rose for my skin tone. And then, favorite rosy nude color ko is Muss. It is just so flattering on the skin. Parang feeling ko lahat ng colors ng 3CE pinag-iisipan nilang mabuti. Tapos yung isa ko pang favorite is Muss, which is a light pinky nude. They're just my perfect formula, as in paborito ko to. Ewan ko, something about these lippies talaga. I just cannot put them down. Kapag tinatanong niyo ako, Ate Toni, anong lipstick yung suot mo? Most probably, it's one of these 3CE Mood Recipe lippies because they're just my absolute favorites. And kung hindi kayo makapili, meron din sila yung parang mga mini kits. Ito yung tinatawag nilang 3CE Mood Recipe Lip Color Mini Kit. Sa loob nitong kit na to, meron ka ng 5 colors. Tapos, andito si Rose, yung favorite ko. So, kung kunwari hindi mo alam kung anong color to begin with, kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung unang color na dapat mong bilhin, doon ka na lang sa mini kit. Pagdating sa size, medyo malaki lang talaga yung pinagkaiba ng full size tsaka nung mini size. Pero, I mean, if you want more color options, then go for this. And yan, sobrang cute niya lang. Pero of course, I prefer the full size. Pero ako talaga, guys, ito talaga yung pinaka-paborito kong lipstick brand ever. Ayun lang. Kasi they're just so nice and just so universal. I feel like their color selection can suit every skin tone possible. So yeah. I wouldn't call this a dupe, but it kind of reminds me of the 3CE ones. Yung Sunnies Face Fluff Mattes. I really like this as well. To be honest, this is more lightweight in formula. But at the same time, because it is lightweight, it's not gonna last you a long while. The more that I played around with it, the more I realized that I prefer my 3CE just because yung lasting power nun mas okay kesa dito. These ones, after a meal, makita mo na nabubura na siya. But at the same time, it is easy to reapply. So, yung favorite colors ko are Nudist, Milkshake, Girl Crush, Vacay, and Bake. Anyway, ito si Bake. Sorry talaga sa sounds. May mic na ako at lahat-lahat pero hindi kinakaya. It's a terracotta nude. So, this is Milkshake and this is Baked. And the colors are just so stunning and perfect for Filipina skin tones. That's like my most favorite thing about the Sunnies Fluff Mattes is walang tapon sa shade range. Lahat ng shade range Damn. If naghahanap kayo ng medyo similar sa 3CE, though I'm not saying it's like a dupe, 3CE is still better. Dun kayo sa Sunnies face kasi it's gonna give you a similar effect, especially at first application. I know guys, lipstick yung pinag-uusapan, pero I just really wanna like put on my favorite gloss, which is my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Ito yung universal color. And it is, it's my favorite gloss ever. And pag-uusapan ko na rin siya in this video, even though this is a lipstick video. The reason why this is my favorite lip gloss of all time is, una, ang bango niya. It smells like candy, like yummy, gooey fruit candy na sobrang bango. And second of all, it lasts a really great time. It's a thicker gloss. It's not super goopy. It's got a nice texture and consistency to it, to where it actually sticks onto my lips. And third, the gloss it gives is unlike any other. Like, look at the shine on my lips. It just makes my lips look so juicy and plump and healthy. I love it. And when worn alone, it has a tint on it. Pag mag-isa lang siya, guys, may tint na siya. May pinky glow na siya na nabibigay. Actually, yung name nito is Fenty Glow. And sobrang fitting talaga ng name dun sa color niya kasi it already has like a pinky universal glow that I feel like is gonna flatter everyone. Everyone loves this gloss and for a reason. Yung shine na nabibigay niya sa lips is unlike any other. Lasting power is great. Scent is great. And it's not a sticky, goopy lip gloss. It feels very moisturizing like a lip balm, but the shine is like outstanding. Absolutely obsessed with this. As for my favorite na nabibili mo sa Watson, siguro yung Maybelline yung masasabi ko na paborito ko. Yung colors na meron ako is Chili Nude, Toasted Brown, and Clay Crush. This is Chili Nude, this is Toasted Brown, and this is Clay Crush. The thing I love about Maybelline lipsticks is they're super comfortable on the lips. You feel like you're applying a creamy lipstick, but the finish is so satin matte. It's so pretty. Yung lasting power, okay din. They're just great staple lipsticks for the price. I feel like you cannot beat it. Feeling ko lahat ng mga nanonood sa akin ngayon, merong at least one Maybelline lipstick in their collection, and that just says a lot. It's definitely made a mark na in the lipstick community. Sobrang okay itong lipsticks ito. As in, kung hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo magsisimula, sa Maybelline lipsticks kayo magsimula because you cannot go wrong with these. And again, these are my favorite shades. Chili Nude, Toasted Brown, and Clay Crush, just in case you're wondering. Quick shout out to this one that I got in Korea. This is the brand LilybyRed. And sa lahat ng aking mga lip tints, ito yung lip tint na paborito kong ginagamit sa center ng lips ko. So, I'm gonna try to show you, sana hopefully mapakita. Yung color nito is 04. It is called, wala siyang name eh. Mood Liar Velvet Tint. Nabili ko lang ito sa Korea sa Olive Young ata. And ang cool kasi yung model nila parang lalaki. So, wala lang ang cool. So, ang ginagawa ko dito sa lip color na to, I don't really like to use it all around. I mean, I do like it all around. Pero ang ginagawa ko is, I just like to put it on the pinaka-inside of my lips. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong Korean gradient effect na lip tint kasi ang ganda ng kulay niya. It's a rosy, it's a deep rose color and napaka-bango niya. As in, alam mo yung Starburst? It smells like that. And sobrang yung pigmented, blendable, and it just like meshes well with my other lip colors that I like to put underneath it. Pag suot ko to, sobrang feeling ko Koreana ako, besh. So, LilybyRed in number 4. Ito rin, favorite ko din to. Itong mga 3CE velvet lip tints na to, sobrang love ko to. As just like an all-over blurry, kind of blotted, lightweight lip color. Ito yung Daffodil, Nude, and Going Right. Kaya ko sila paborito kasi napaka-lightweight nila pero very pigmented sila. And hindi sila yung sobrang pigmented na liquid lipstick effect. I would still consider them a lipstick in a way na very lightweight lang sila. They pack a punch, but yung finish na nabibigay nila sa lips, it's like a lipstick. Hindi siya liquid lipstick na parang you cannot kind of blend them out. You can't kind of do a lot with them. Ito si Going Right, which is a deeper nude. Again, 3CE just wins it. With their color selection, I feel like their color selection is unbeatable. And sila talaga yung nauna na parang ang gaganda ng color selection. As in sila talaga, I have to give the credit to 3CE. You can sheer them out. You can just kind of blend them out. I love the applicator, but you can kind of build them up if you want that like super opaque color. Diba? Sobrang ganda. If you were to ask me if these are worth it, these are definitely worth the money in my opinion. Hindi lahat sa 3CE marirecommend ko, pero yung lip stuff nila, guys, panalo ka, bish. Last na tayo, guys. Tinanggal ko lang yung lip color ko kasi may gusto ko ipakita. Last na to, and this is my favorite lip liner ever. Sobrang magical and life-changing na to. Ito yung Pixi Beauty Lip Contour Liner in the color Soft Nude. Ayan siya. This honestly makes my lips look fuller. So what I would usually do, and I'm kind of demonstrating it to you guys right now. Sorry, ang daldal ko. I would just line the top of my lips this area, like kind of outline my lips. the bottom area. Do you see that? It immediately kind of just contoured my lips, just like the name. It seriously even contoured my lips. And anything, I'm gonna try to put on a lipstick right now. I'm gonna use my 3CE in Mirrorlike. If I apply this, like, look at that. It kind of just made my lips look fuller. I don't know how it does it. Hindi ko alam. Something about the color of this is kind of a little bit more on the grayish, mauvey gray. Yeah, gray-brown. Gray-brown undertone siya. So, perfect to for contouring the lips. Hindi siya like, tipong makakapag-long-lasting ng lips. Hindi yun yung point ko dito. Yung point ko dito is that it contours my lips. It makes my lips look so much fuller and so much juicier. And then, kung tipong gusto ko pa ng kaunti pang glam, maglalagay ako lip gloss. And, ayan. Diba? So delicious and just, so voluminous. I love this lip liner. It is so nice. So yeah, you guys, these are my favorite lip colors, lipsticks for the most part for 2018. Ito talaga yung mga staples ko. Pag hindi ko alam kung anong lipstick yung susuotin ko, I would actually choose anything among these lip colors. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some helpful recommendations. And yes, if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next one.